Okay, lighthouse coming at you. What we're looking at is the seat that comes with the TK-1. I'm going to, you can see those lines there. There's just one, I'm going to call it screw, holding this seat on. And it's right there. See the silver screw right there. And if I get an Allen wrench and see, take that off of there. I'm out. Okay, the new seat is on, and there is just that one screw with the silver screw you see on the bottom, but there are two pieces at the top. The original, I marked the bottom of the seat. It does have marks on it. I don't know if you can see that red spot I put on there. You see those white lines there? Now, what the other one doesn't have is these rubber cushions, like, if you want to call it that. And this is attached to it. Let's see how we're going to take it for a ride and see how we like it. Okay, this seat, like I said, it's not as soft as the original, which is this one. I'll just put the seat back here. That's the original seat. Right there. This has the backrest support, and but you can adjust this. I felt like I was sliding off of it, so I adjusted it forward. So I'm going to try different adjustment positions. The back support, that's as high as it goes. It's not like you see on other bikes where it goes way up here, but it does take the small. It's in the small of your back, so that's okay. So like I said, I moved it forward. Hopefully that'll make it feel better, like that I'm not slipping off of the seat. Now, to put the seat on, there's a bolt that runs up through the bottom of it to a little clasp that it screws into. But this seat kept moving around, so I had to have my wife come out and hold the seat in place while I ran this bolt up through it, right here, if you can see that. And there's a little clasp up here that attaches to this metal, these two metal rods that hold the seat to the bike. And there's this top piece here, and that's what you need to run through. Is this? It's a little piece like a nut that you run a bolt through and tighten it down. So it's pretty easy outside of somebody it needs to actually hold it. So I'm going to drive it again, and we'll see if it feels better. It doesn't matter one way or the other. I can still use it. We'll figure it out. Lighthouse is out. Okay, the seat with the backrest, I could almost say that it's hard as a rock. And you have to force yourself back into the seat to stay in the seat, and it's just like I said, it's hard as a rock. Lighthouse out.